Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing, what are we doing? Supercharger install, right?
Supercharger.
We're gonna get the supercharger bolted in. We got the whole heat exchanger and everything else plumbed in and everything. You can see it's filled up. Ran a quick test start on the car. Everything works. So next thing on the list is to do the supercharger, which is, since it's a 3R or a VMP Gen 3, we got to drill into the block, so or into the manifold. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. So keep watching, and hopefully we're not gonna break this engine. It should be fun. So how long do you think? 2 hours? It's gonna take us about probably 4 hours, but I mean, with my estimate, it's probably gonna be 8 then. So yeah, hang in there, and let's go to town on this. There you go. We got the whole supercharger out. That was a lot of fun. Now, because he's got a 3, my buddy's got a Gen 3, we need to get this puppy out, mask up everything, and drill the shit out of this. Fun times, especially if it gets in your skin. Yeah, fun times. All right, so yeah, it's not that bad. Actually, it took less than I expected.
All I'm full of, we go play back again. And everybody
down and we a lock down the street. So we chop it, so we do it. This is when you come to lock down the street. So we chop it, so we do it. This is rhythm I lock down the street. So we chop it, so we do it. This is when you come to lock down the street. Alright, so we chop it, so we do it. Down and we a lock down the street. So we chop it, so we do it. This is when you come to lock down the street. All I'm full of, we go play back again. And everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. All I'm full of, we go play back again. See them tackle up the big tune. All I'm full of, we go play back again.
So we got most of the supercharger done. Ran out of time because of the damn supercharger, or the EGR valve that's on the side over there. It gave us a few more headaches than we needed, but we managed to get the supercharger fully bolted. We got the fuel lines fully plumbed. We got all the vacuum lines mostly done. We have just one left on the back side by the end of the back of the supercharger that goes to the brake booster. And then, as I said, we got to do belts tomorrow, spark plugs, tighten up the bolts on the pulley, and then we should be ready to start it. So thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you like what you saw. If you don't, sorry. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
I didn't know you already took one.
I took tons.
Never mind. Go sit down. Thank you.